Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 6th, 2025, and we're diving into Constellation Brands' Q2 Fiscal Year 2026 earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Constellation Brands, a leading producer and marketer of beer, wine, and spirits, has just released their latest earnings report, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Constellation Brands reported net sales of $2.48 billion, a 15% decrease from the previous year. Despite this, the company achieved a comparable EPS of $3.63, beating the analyst forecast of $3.37. John, how did they manage this?
Indeed, while the net sales saw a decline, Constellation Brands' focus on cost efficiencies and strategic divestitures helped improve their profitability. The comparable EPS of $3.63 is a testament to their effective cost management and operational efficiencies, even in a challenging market environment.
Beer business performance. Constellation's beer business remains a strong performer. They reported net sales of $2.35 billion with an operating margin of 40.6%. However, there was an 8.7% decline in shipment volumes. What are the key drivers here?
The beer business continues to lead in dollar share gains, with brands like Modelo Especial and Corona Extra maintaining top positions. The decline in shipment volumes is largely due to socioeconomic headwinds and distributor inventory rebalancing. Despite this, the business has managed to maintain strong margins through favorable pricing and brand strength.
Wine and spirits segment challenges. The wine and spirits segment faced significant challenges, with net sales declining by 65% and an operating margin of -14.6%. What factors contributed to this performance?
The decline is primarily due to the Svedka and 2025 wine divestitures, which significantly impacted shipment volumes and sales. The segment is expected to continue facing headwinds, with further declines anticipated in fiscal 2026. However, the company is focusing on higher-end wine segments to mitigate these impacts.
Strategic initiatives and shareholder returns. Constellation Brands has been active in returning value to shareholders, with $604 million in share repurchases and a dividend of 1.2 cents per share. How do these actions align with their strategic initiatives?
These actions reflect Constellation's commitment to disciplined capital allocation. The company has generated strong cash flows, with $1.5 billion in operating cash flow and $1.1 billion in free cash flow year-to-date. Their focus on cost savings and efficiency initiatives supports these shareholder returns while maintaining investment in their core brands.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 3.37 cents, but Constellation Brands delivered 3.63 cents. What does this mean for their EPS outlook for the rest of the fiscal year?
The beat on EPS indicates strong operational performance and cost management. Constellation has updated their fiscal 2026 EPS outlook to a range of $11 to $11.60, which suggests confidence in their strategic initiatives and market positioning. The positive sentiment from analysts reflects this strong performance.
Key takeaways. In summary, Constellation Brands has demonstrated resilience in a challenging environment with strong EPS performance and strategic shareholder returns. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Constellation Brands continues to show strength in its core beer business and strategic focus on cost efficiencies. While challenges remain in the wine and spirit segment, their proactive measures and strong cash flow position them well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their strategic initiatives and market dynamics.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Constellation Brands' performance in the comments below.